I'm going to briefly talk about the evolution of cyber insurance. A lot of people try and explain cyber as evolving like employment practices liability. You remember you had the Anita Hill case, which led to, oh wow, we could sue over employees being harassed. Then there was the widespread continuing ed credit for lawyers to study up on how to sue. Then there was a bunch of suits. Then there were a bunch of products. Well, the products came out, and initially they had a $100,000 deductible when the average claim was under 70. They had no punitive damages, and they were very expensive. Well, I would say that product has evolved today to an everyday purchase. Most companies have it. If you don't, you can actually probably get fired or get sued if you're a broker. But I think in some ways, cyber has evolved more like pollution insurance. At one time, carriers try to restrict pollution coverage under the CGL by only covering sudden and accidental pollution because they had a lot of claims. And a judge in New Jersey issued a ruling that some 32 wells that had been polluted over some 50 years were suddenly and accidentally polluted, so all those policies had to pay. So the carrier said, I'm out of here, absolute pollution exclusion, which is what we have today. Now, we're not quite there because there is a little tiny bit of overlap with the CGL, but for the most part, package carriers are running for high ground on this. So it's very similar to pollution. The one difference is every company has data and not every company has a pollutant. What buyers want, what we have today is a lot of different products, a lot of different appetites, and a challenge for the buyer to sort out what's the best deal for them. What buyers want is a bunch of carriers all quoting very broad coverage and then being able to compare in terms of best rating, limits, deductible, etc. We're not anywhere close to that in cyber. We have apples, oranges, pears, peaches, and Swiss cheese. And I think it's going to be that way for some time. In fact, I think the products, the innovators, which many of them are here, are going to continue to evolve their products, and I'm looking forward to that.